In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Shopify contact form email address. Whether you're missing customer messages, switching to a new business email, or you simply want all inquiries sent to the right inbox, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Shopify is a powerful platform, and keeping your contact details updated is a small change that makes a big difference in customer communication. So let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you're logged in to the correct store. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and find the gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Shopify lets you control and manage the most important settings for your store, so follow along carefully to avoid missing anything. Next, from the left-hand menu inside Settings, click on General. This section contains your store's basic information and essential business details. When the page opens, look for the Store Details section near the top. Once you see it, hover your mouse over that area and click the small pencil icon to start editing. Now you'll see the Store Email field. This is the email address where all messages from your Shopify contact form are sent. Simply replace the existing email with your new preferred email address. Take a moment to double-check for spelling mistakes or typos, because even a small error can cause you to miss important customer messages. To make the process smoother, make sure you have access to the new email inbox and that it's active and working properly. This quick check can save you time and prevent lost inquiries. Once everything looks good, click Save to confirm your changes. After that, all new contact form messages will be sent directly to the updated email address without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to send a test message through your contact form to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your Shopify contact form email easily and keep your customer communication running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this video helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?